Hey guys, welcome to another episode on Kind Spirit Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to pass custom function to GGPlot as argument. And first question is why you should do something like that. Well, the only real reason for that could be if you want to write some code to deal with your specific needs. Or maybe you would like to pass values from aesthetics outside of it, which is prohibited. And now I'm going to show you way around those limitations. So first I'm going to provide our data frame to GGPlot function, and I'm going to create one geom point with aesthetics of X and A. Let's say color is going to be based on categories and size is going to be based on A. And now I would like to create a geom error bar, and I want to have three categories of values. Let's say values from 0 to 7, from 7 to 15 and over 15. And I want my error bar to change colors in regards of those categories. But I don't want to create another column to my data frame in order to do so. So for that purpose I'm going to create my custom function. And I'm going to call that function f. That function is going to return geom error bar. Make some spacing here. I'm going to create aesthetics of, let's call this data. It's going to work better. Data X, data A. Let's say Y min is going to be A times 0.95, and Y max is going to be A times 1,15. And now I'm going outside of aesthetics. I want width to be 1, and now color. In order to calculate color, I'm going to create another function. I'm going to call it ff, and I'm going to pass data A to it. So now let's create that other function. So function ff. So function. Now we are going to have X argument in here. And now what is important to know? Data A, it's actually an array of values. So what we need is array of values to our color argument. So for that reason I'm going to create value that is going to be returned, and that value is going to be collection. And now we need for loop for I in X, open for loop, if loop, if I, it's let's say greater than 15, I'm going to use my variable val to append value of green. Now else if I is greater than 7, I'm going to copy this code. I'm going to append value of orange, or in other cases I'm going to append value of red. So now what is going to happen? When we receive array of data A, we are going to test those values. And if value I it's over 15, we are going to have green color. Else if I is greater than 7, we are going to get orange. And finally, if I it's less than 7, we are going to have value of red. And when that is done, I'm going to return my variable val, and now we are going to deal with final function. So now instead of providing geom error bar, I am going to provide a function f, and I'm going to pass value of data to it. Save it, run it. And now you see that all of values less than 7 have error bar colored in red, between 7 and 15 orange, and over 15 green. If we wanted to do this in any other way, we would have to add additional column to our data frame. And you have to keep in mind that this is not the regular way in order to deal with GGPlot functions. But sometimes when you need something specific, like in this case, this is really handy workaround. So guys, thank you for watching. I truly hope that you have learned something interesting. So please like, subscribe, and see ya!